Hey everyone, this is William Eric Burton. Welcome back to the channel, Day Trading Live with me. It's a very simple concept, ladies and gentlemen. I don't understand why on social media there are so many that try to make it seem like it's more complicated than it really is, okay? The Ultimate Trading course will specifically tell you these type of things so that you can enter into the Forex trading market or any trading market and start to make trades, okay? Because that's how you make any type of substantial living that you can, even though hush hush, I am not a financial advisor, but I will say that you need to start trading with live entry and exit secrets from me with a small trading account for beginners to advanced plus simple trading profits. Get the course that reveals Forex trade secrets, stop losing so many trades, and gain more profits faster. And yes, this is an income machine generator. That's what Trading Live means, okay? Forex Trading Live or Day Trading Live means that you're doing it to earn income. We even have a 45-day money-back guarantee. You want to get here and at least go through the page and check it out and get here before the 3 days fills out and finishes up because the price goes up. And I am continuing to upgrade this platform every week with my personal trades that I show you what happened, how it happened, and how you should go about making your entries and exits into the market, okay? We've also got the ultimate, it's called Ultimate Trading Course, not the Ultimate Trading Course, but as you can see, Ultimate Trading Course. And here you can enter in to get our email on our email list, and then I put a blog out every day letting you know about what happened in trades and what I'm doing to combat and continue to make profit in the market every single day, okay? So take a look at this little trade that I made and I'll show you a little bit of proof. It was right here. You see that the bottom of the RSI was touched there, okay, by the chart, the graph. You can see that if I expand it, well, you see what happens whenever that happens. A lot of the times, all of a sudden, it will change direction. And I put this line here knowing that it was probably going to this resistance line. And sure enough, within about 15 minutes, it went right to that spot. Okay, so those are easy indicators of being able to see, you know, what's probably going to happen. And it did the same thing here again. It started going back down. It didn't quite touch the top of the RSI there, but let's go ahead and check my account out for today, and that is the 30th of June's trades. Now, I didn't make that much money in that hour. I made about $11.91, and really that's because of an OPEC day. I didn't really like the jumbling around of the trade. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you that every day I'm going to make $1,000 in this account, okay? That's just not possible, okay? In my $27,000 account, well, yes, I still made some good trades. I made actually this trade in that account, okay? And I think I made about $650 just from here to right about here is when I cut it off right there, because I saw this red candle right here and I didn't want it to trace back on me, so I just took my profit of $600. Who doesn't like that, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so click on the link in the description below to get your Ultimate Trading course so that you start now and start understanding how I make money consistently every day with a small trading account for beginners to advanced, and you can do the same as well. This is William Eric Burton. I will see you on the next video.